As the chapter of closing in our A-frame cabin gets closer, it's time to start thinking about the interior, a stage that we dreamed of while framing the cabin. We wanted something that would define the space, not just finish it, so we're driving over 500 kilometers to get it. Let the A-frame interior chapter begin. So we are driving 500 kilometers away from our home to an Amish community that we can hopefully find a sawmill that is able to provide us with 3,000 square feet of tongue and groove pine for the interior of our A-frame cabin. Why we're going to the Amish community is because we've outsourced quotes from home building centers around our area, and they want almost like $8 to $10 a square foot. Which is just crazy. It would cost us into the double digits to get the interior of our cabin finished. So we know that the Amish community is a lot cheaper, so we're just trying to outsource a sawmill that can do that. Yeah, so hopefully we can find somebody. There definitely is somebody there, but they don't advertise this sort of thing. So it's kind of having to just drive into the communities and ask around and hopefully find something. So we got a lead on some tongue and groove pine. We gotta head back that way to a road called Center Line, which should be just up here. I think Center Line, is that what it says?
Yeah.
Center Line. Center Line all the way down on your left. Cows. Okay, so we're passing the tracks. Oh, yeah, that's gotta be it. Pine, cedar, hardwood, siding, trim. Oh, there's a barn.
Look at the bug.
Oh, cute.
Oh, it's cute. There's two of them there.
Oh my gosh. It's a sign. Hello. Oh, it's today's. Oh no. What's today? Dear customers, please put your name and number on here. Thank you. No, are they not here? When we first arrived, no one was there, but we knew we were definitely at the right place. We spent a couple days visiting friends and family and then came back just at the right time.
Have any windows and doors at all in your house? Or?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
There'll be.
So the bulk of them will be 8 and 16s.
Okay.
And there'll be some short.
Okay. Yeah, because on the end walls will be quite a bit
Yeah,
of,
they'll be shorter stuff, yeah.
stuff like that, but
Yeah.
okay. 2,000 square feet of it will definitely be mostly need to be 18.
8
Yeah,
through 16.
yeah, that'll not be an issue at all.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So 3,000 square feet.
3,000 square feet. Okay.
This here is white pine, I think.
And what kind of pine will we?
Red pine is what we have the most of right now.
Red?
Yeah.
Can we see some red?
Yes.
Does it look really red?
It's not really red. It's just red or knots.
Red or knots? Okay.
Yeah.
That's red pine.
Oh, okay. That's not bad.
Is there a difference in price between the red and the white?
So,
No?
Yeah.
so yeah, that's a very good example for red pine. Though.
And this is all ran from gas or
Power. Diesel, yeah.
diesel?
That goes underneath and then it's come up into the machine.
Oh, yeah. Wow. Okay.
After making a deal for 3,000 square feet of tongue and groove pine for less than $2 a square foot, it was time for us to head back home and continue work on the A-frame until we got the call. What's that, sorry? Oh! Yes, sorry, yep. This is our tongue and groove pine.
Oh.
Yeah. It's ready now?
See that? So we're just on our way to see, to meet up with the guy who cut all our tongue and groove pine. He's part of the, I don't know, Mennonite or Amish community. So he doesn't have a telephone, and he gave us a phone number of, I guess, a nearby neighbor that we could call, but we wrote it down on a piece of wood and then ended up cutting up that piece of wood and using it. So we said we might not be there for 2 weeks, but now it's only been 1 week, and we kind of just decided this morning we were going to come and pick everything up because it's just the way it's going to work out best for us. So it'd be nice if we could have let him know we were coming today, but I don't think he'll have the wood stored too far away, or or like stored out of the way or whatever. So hopefully we can get there and get everything loaded up in a timely manner.
Should be there in like 10 minutes, less than 10 minutes. So let's cross our fingers someone is home. There it is.
Look at the size of that bird.
Oh my gosh.
Is that a turkey? I think that's a
No.
turkey, yeah.
You think it's a... No.
Yes.
No, it's a rooster.
Holy shit, it's a big rooster.
Christine. Yeah, we had the 3,000 square foot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're very glad to see it go.
When we got there was no equipment waiting. No forklifts, no machines, just a few helping hands and time. 3,000 square feet of tongue and groove pine moved the same way it's been done for generations. got most of the 16 footers. We just have some 8 footers to do. Okay, that's all of it. We did not anticipate having a hand bomb every one of those. Jesse, I'm like chewed up.
Oh, wow.
So we got it all tarped up, just ratchet strapping it. Oh man, I think we're spending the night.
Pretty snug, eh?
Yeah, should hold the tarp down. Then we're gonna just add 2 chains on the top,
Yeah.
and then we'll be good. Then we're off.
What time is it? 6:30.
We did it. When we finally had the tongue and groove pine, it felt like a full circle moment. When we left, it was fall, and we got back to the cabin, winter had finally arrived.
And a stain with that?
Mm-hmm.
The end walls are gonna be white, like the walls that are in the front.
Yeah.
They're gonna be white, but all the rest are gonna be like stained.
Yeah, but you paint, they cannot see this.
We'll have to buy stain blocker. Has to be stain blocked, then it has to be primed, then it has to be
The
painted.
stain blocker is the primer.
Yeah. Hand it to her, and then
I just want to get a couple rows laid and see how this is gonna. Because these are all 8'6", he said, so they're more than 8 feet. Make sure the piles stay nice and straight.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, look, I'm just gonna lay them, and then you put them tight, okay? Okay, that's all of it.
Should be enough.
Hopefully. Thanks so much for following along this part of our journey. We can't wait to start the interior A-frame cabin series with you all. We'll see you on the next one.